Yo, what's up? I'm with Troy Forbes here, shooting on that BlackMagic. How you doing, bro?
I'm good, man.
We're somewhere in North Van, and we're just hopped a fence, and we're gonna go do some exploring. We're gonna make a video on
Cliff jumping.
and how to make travel videos. Bro.
Yeah, I do.
What kind you want?
Red Bull. Oh, why thank you, kind sir.
I love to travel the world, but my favorite place to be in the summertime is Vancouver, British Columbia. There's so much nature readily accessible. I get the thrills and enjoyment of a big city, and I also get to experience all of this beautiful nature. All right, I'm about to cliff jump. I'm not gonna be like these dudes. I'm gonna be like off this one. A little bit scared, but we'll rock it. All right, you ready, Troy? First tip, do something interesting. Nobody cares about your trip to Europe and you're gonna talk about it in your office at home in the United States of America. We want to see Europe. Show us Europe. Show us something cool. Film an adventure. And that's probably the best way to tell a story. So I just recorded some great stuff, but I didn't turn the mic on. So there's my next tip. Make sure to remember to turn the mic on, because you might record some crispy, clean, amazing audio and fuck up and forget to turn the mic on. My next tip is be authentic. And what I really mean by that is, if you're filming a fun, happy, awesome travel video, but you're miserable, it's probably gonna come through in the camera. The best videos that I've ever filmed is just, I take a camera, I get out there, and I'm actually doing a genuine, fun adventure. A lot of the time I don't even have the camera on because I'm enjoying myself so much. I just capture those few little special moments, and because they're authentic and they're a great time and I'm smiling and laughing, then people feel brought into that and they can tell that is genuine. My next travel tip for making a travel video is be authentic.
I know that I lost you that night. I know that you've already...
Hey! Just doing the whole van life thing here. We got a really nice spot down by the water. Now, one thing that is obviously necessary when it comes to filming a video is cameras. Now, I know a lot of you probably have something like this, maybe just an iPhone, and that is a great option to start with. You can use your iPhone. There's programs like iMovie. The software is pretty easy to use. You can even use the touchscreen feature and kind of pinch the clips and drop them one another, and that's how most of us start. What I'd really recommend though is investing a little bit of money in a camera. Not everyone can afford a BlackMagic camera like this with a cinema lens on it. The price is quite substantial, but what I have filming this right now is actually a Canon M50, and that very simply is a $500 camera. It comes with a kit lens for a little bit more, I think about $700, and I'm speaking Canadian money. And I use a shotgun mic. I'm using the Rode VideoMic Pro. I believe that mic cost me about 260 bucks roughly. I wouldn't recommend using a phone. If you want to take it to the next level and you want your video quality to be decent, I would say to get something like this. A GoPro is great, especially if you want a water camera. It's so small, it fits in your bag. The microphone on it's pretty decent. Sometimes I'm in a more dangerous country and I want to do a vlog or I want to film something, but I'm a little scared to have my big camera walking around. This is a great option. The cool thing about the Hero 6 Black is that they put in a gimbal-like stabilization software that does crop the image quite a bit, but it offers you pretty awesome stable stuff for when you're clamping it on you, doing a time lapse of hiking. We did a time lapse in the vehicle earlier today. I like to put that footage in my videos, and that works really good. Interesting. So Troy's lifting a boat over my head right now because these guys have a crab fishing trap that's stuck, so we're gonna give them a little bit of a hand.
Are you going to get crab also?
To continue what I was saying, you need a camera. Now, you can use your phone, but that's very limiting. And even a camera just like this, you can tell the quality is significantly better. And you have the option of using lenses, although I know they're lens attachments. The number one most important thing with a video, though, that I think is audio. So if you are going to use your phone, I suggest maybe investing in some kind of small upgrade to put a microphone on the phone. And the stabilization software, like I was talking about with the GoPro, is also on a lot of the new phones as well. The next thing you might want to invest in for a travel video is something like this. I'm about to fire this up again and go over top while these guys are crab fishing. We're gonna get some cool shots here. And this is very cheap drone. It's just the DJI Spark. I would recommend investing in something like this just simply because in certain locations you can get those really beautiful, epic perspectives that you would never be able to attain any other way other than a helicopter. Now, last but not least, you're obviously going to need some kind of device to edit your stuff on. Like I said before though, you can edit stuff on your phone. You can use software on your iPad, but obviously using a computer with hard drives and SD cards is going to be the best way. What I'm rocking is just a 13-inch MacBook Pro. This for me works really well. It's not the most expensive setup in the world, but it's great when I take it around the world. And if someone stole my camera, it wouldn't really be the end of the world. If somebody stole this BlackMagic camera right here, it would not be a good thing at all. Just to let you guys know, invest maybe in some camera gear if you want to make a travel video. Anyway, on that note, I'm going to see what's going on over here.
Camera effect.
Well, I think this brings us to the end here, so I'll give you my final tip, and that would be to involve your friends in your adventure videos. So this is my friend Troy. We actually met on Instagram. I really liked his videos, so I sent him a message. Found out we lived in the same city, so we met up and we've been creating videos together ever since.
Quite a journey.
Now, the reason I would suggest to make videos with your friends is because I'm not making videos to become famous. I'm making videos to lock my memories in. So in 10 or 20 years, Troy and I can sit back, we can watch these videos when we're a little bit older, and we can relive these memories together. And so that's why I would really recommend to include your friends in these videos. Also, when I travel with people, they treat me so kindly with so much generosity, and a great gift that I can offer to them is these videos. Maybe a month, 2 months after my trip, I get home and I look through the footage, I edit it, and they see a notification from me in their email. It's a great way for us to commemorate our friendship together. Make videos with your friends. Thank you guys again for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have anything else to contribute, drop it in the comments below. If you could toss me a like and a subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. I hope you all have a wonderful summer. I'm gonna get back to enjoying some sunshine with my friends.